Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Price all over the place, and volume is remaining very respectable. First 30 minutes, pretty crazy. Price gapped up, went all the way up to there before pulling back, and the price has recovered a little bit. But it does really just depend on your perspective, your strategy. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there and your game plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, the chart's looking pretty shaky. However, if you do care about things from the bigger picture point of view, even with the craziness today, the overall chart is still plenty fine. And what do I mean by that? Well, keyword being overall, and look at the lows right here, right at that green line, which I talked about in a previous video. But let's look at previous lows. There are some lows right there. There's some other lows. There's other lows. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Again, emphasis on more so the overall idea here. Well, from the overall perspective, you'd still have these quote-unquote stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined again right there at 475. So again, sure, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to buy or buy and sell within 5 minutes, then the chart looks terrible to you. But from the grand scheme of it all, even with the pullback, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build higher bases. So that is definitely what matters most. So overall, like I said, depending on your perspective is going to dictate how you feel about this chart. But the bigger picture, still plenty fine. Those lows keep on getting higher and higher, and that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.